Hey guys, it's Sarah Jane here with episode 5 of Dunster House TV. In today's episode we will be visiting Dean and his garden cinema log cabin that turned into so much more. Stay tuned and together let's explore his garden. However, this garden didn't always look like this. It has been completely transformed. Here is Dean, who is going to tell us all about it.
Hi there, my name's Dean Fisher. As a trade, I'm a film producer, and we recently moved into a new house which needed a lot of renovation work. In this house there was an existing outhouse which was a pub. It was down as the Shakespeare Tavern, but when you went inside it was rotten, it smelt, you could put your finger through it. So we just decided that we wanted to make use of that space because it's a good space, but we just needed something that was a lot more functional for our family.
Right, so inside the log cabin, Dean has set up an office for himself, a dining room for the family, there's air conditioning for the hotter days, a heater for the colder days, a fridge, a microwave for those movie snacks you need, and then of course the ginormous cinema screen. What more could you need from a log cabin?
You know, the family have absolutely loved the space. Kids love running around watching the films, and so it's very multifunctional for what we need it to be. So we'll spend a lot more time in this log cabin and the garden because everything's here, and obviously because it's our office as well, we're out here every day now, as opposed to the old garden that we wouldn't even walk through. And we put a lot more pride into our garden because of that. You know, we replaced all the fences, the grass and everything, can now put loads of plants in. So we're trying to make it a nice, happy, friendly space for the whole of the family. I will be using it more as the home office, and with film productions, we need sometimes a base to work from. So this will certainly be the hub of what we do. And the plan is to sit and watch plenty of family films, maybe a few football matches on the big screen as well, and just make it a real fun space for people to enjoy.
That's all for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed exploring Dean's cinema log cabin with me. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes of Dunster House TV.